Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Hunter Kaywood, and in this spooktacular episode of SEMrush Data News, we'll be speaking about the most popular Halloween costumes of 2018. But before we get to that, believe it or not, Halloween is way more popular than Christmas, according to SEMrush data. But there still are a number of holidays that are even more popular than Halloween. Let us know in the comments section, what's your guess for the most searched for holiday in the United States? So that said, let's jump right into the most interesting data of the day, most popular Halloween costumes. Harley Quinn tops the list with Wonder Woman, Rick and Morty ranking second and third. But you might probably want to skip wearing these. Who wants to be dressed just like everyone else? Am I right? This is why we prepared the forecast list with the most trendy 2018 costumes. That way you can make sure that it will be you setting the trends. Next, as we all know, Halloween party season is in full swing, so it might be helpful to know what snacks and beverages are most popular. Pumpkin pie turns out to be the most searched for Halloween recipe, while Witch's Brew Punch is the most popular drink. That's it for SEMrush Data News. Happy Halloween. Drink safely, my friends.